Now, we do recognize that there are components in our product set that some customers will use and other customers will not need to use. And so we've kind of looked at the way our customers tend to use our products and split them into three editions of AVEVA Operations Control. We have the Edge edition, which kind of really focuses in that traditional HMI space, where it tends to be a smaller scope of capability, and the things that you tend to be focusing are the things that you're trying to do in the immediate time, where we talk about short-term focus here. Up in the supervisory space tends to be where our typical SCADA customers and SCADA applications have. They tend to have a broader view of an entire process, and we refer to things like OT convergence. It's the description of the different types of information, whether they be physical assets or they be software components or even cloud aspects, of things that need to be brought together to give you a complete view and situational awareness of all aspects of your operation. And an emerging space for us, the Enterprise Edition. In this particular case, we tend to see a large number of people working together to achieve longer-term strategic outcomes for their businesses. They may be looking to how do I maintain, or how do I minimize my costs for energy? How do I minimize my raw material utilization, minimize my waste production? But you tend to not be talking about the specific state of the control of the system today, but start looking at some long-term strategic goals of that process. Now, as I've kind of already set the table on kind of our broader strategy, I'm going to focus in a little bit and talk about what we do with the 2023 releases that kind of helps us drive part of this story and this solution forward. So we have had major releases across 2023 of all of our key components, whether it's system platform. We introduced a new component, system platform enterprise, which will be part of the enterprise package I just described. InTouch Edge got a lot of attention here. The Edge HMI is also going to have an update. That one has not yet been released, and that'll be coming soon. Plant SCADA 2023, Historian, Reports, Communications Drivers, and Dev Studios all kind of got that. And so when you kind of see where they sit within that commercial model, we had major releases across the entire board. Now I'm going to give you a quick preview of some of the things that we did across them.